say this is a Hellcat killer? Say it.
That's it, John?
Oh yeah, suck it right up the pipes.
There you go. Guy right here. What's going on, man? How much? Tell me about this thing, man. Like,
Not much to tell.
oh, what's going on, man?
Yeah. You're right, looks
This guy's a Chevy guy, so.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good, you were talking about the C7 Corvette.
LS7?
No.
No, what's LS1? Okay.
Doesn't really matter which one it is, starts over 400.
Yeah. What do you got done to it?
Headers, complete exhaust,
Tuned. Probably a lot cheaper cheaper to do in this than a Mopar.
That's pretty much me too.
Seriously?
Me too,
Where'd you get the work done, if you don't mind me asking?
What work?
Like the headers or you did it yourself?
I did all myself.
Nice, phenomenal.
Except the headers.
Except the header, yeah.
though.
Okay. So you're probably pushing like over 500?
It's pushing almost 5.
Yeah. But you're so light. Like how much do you weigh?
Couldn't tell you.
Probably
I
like.
added a lot of shit to it too.
That like that, probably 3,000.
Oh, because of the doors, right?
The doors, the wing.
How were the doors to do? Were they a bitch?
God, yeah.
Not
Well,
bad.
when
You
a
got to
drag
pull
race.
the whole front end apart
Yeah.
to do that.
You
Hey.
want to win a drag race, you take the doors off. That's got to be good for at least 400 pounds.
Oh, that's awesome. No, this would probably kill most 392s.
Most what?
390 like Mopar, like 392 Mopars, eh?
Maybe when I get the supercharger.
Yeah, you gonna add a supercharger? You think?
I
Yeah.
just got the Whipple. I have a 08 Escalade that has the LS3 basically in it.
Yeah.
Different intake. Yeah, Whipple supercharger for it. It's like 10 grand all in for everything, but 275 horsepower gain alone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what they were rated for.
Jeez.
The 2.3 liter.
Yeah.
I met a guy last week at
Stock internals.
Burger King.
Yeah.
He had one of these base Stingray,
Yeah.
and he was pushing almost 800 horse out of it.
Really?
Not meth. What's that shit they put in it?
Yeah, it's methanol. Yeah.
Methanol?
Methanol, yeah.
Injection.
Fuck me.
Oh yeah, you can do that easily.
Supercharger. But he's pushing the limits on an LS1.
Okay, does it sip on methanol? Because I know a lot of people running it. I'm
like
assuming it sips the methanol
Ideally,
rather
you
than
want to do a
NOS.
lean spray for sure.
Yeah.
But you know, some people are more aggressive than others.
Fair enough.
I guess it's all up to the person.
Well, it sounds great to be honest
It's
with
an
you.
LS. It's good for 1,000.
3-inch out? Like, you did some exhaust work too?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's complete.
Okay.
Borla,
No,
Cook's headers, X pipe.
everything. Yeah.
I cheaped out.
Lady brought her